So, do you want to explain what MGTOW is to Rebel?
Well, MGTOW is a worldwide movement now. Social media can be thanked for that. What it is men have decided to no longer participate in relationships with women as a result of all the issues with family courts, false rape allegations, and all kinds of slander coming from feminists. For the most part, we're not going to say that we're anti-women. I know that we're often accused of that, but it's very unfortunate. That's not why we're here. We're just trying to protect ourselves. This is a reactionary movement. I guess maybe it takes bachelorism into more of an activist level, where we're absolutely not participating in relationships with women to stay away from all the problems that exist.